Question number 1. Who was the first Viceroy of India? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Ripon. C. Lord Mountbatten. D. Lord Irwin. Answer. Lord Canning. Question number 2. Jivraj Narayan Mehta was the first Chief Minister of which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer. Gujarat. Question number 3. Which was India's first mission to the moon? A. Mangalyaan. B. Chandrayaan 1. C. Chandrayaan 2. D. Astrosat. Answer. Chandrayaan 1. Question number 4. Which is the first month of the Saka calendar? A. Vaishakha. B. Jeshtha. C. Asadha. D. Chaitra. Answer. Chaitra. Question number 5. Who won the first edition of the Indian Premier League (IPL)? A. Mumbai Indians. B. Deccan Chargers. C. Rajasthan Royals. D. Chennai Super Kings. Answer. Rajasthan Royals. Question number 6. Name the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games. A. Vijender Singh. B. Abhinav Bindra. C. Mary Kom. D. Sakshi Malik. Answer. Abhinav Bindra. Question number 7. Which is the first Indian Institute of Technology (IIT)? A. IIT Bombay. B. IIT Madras. C. IIT Kanpur. D. IIT Kharagpur. Answer. IIT Kharagpur. Question number 8. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. Dadabhai Nauroji. C. Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer. C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 9. When was the first general election held in independent India? A. 1950. B. 1951. C. 1952. D. 1953. Answer. 1951. Question number 10. Where was the first metro rail service introduced in India? A. Delhi. B. Bengaluru. C. Kolkata. D. Mumbai. Answer. Kolkata. Question number 11. Where was the electronic voting machine first used in India? A. Delhi. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Kerala. Answer. Kerala. Question number 12. Who became the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? A. Aruna Asaf Ali. B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Padmaja Naidu. Answer. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question number 13. Who was the first Miss Universe from India? A. Sushmita Sen. B. Lara Datta. C. Aishwarya Rai. D. Priyanka Chopra. Answer. Sushmita Sen. Question number 14. Who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? A. Kamala Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 15. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? A. Risal Pukutti. B. Bhanu Athi. C. A.R. Rahman. D. Gulzar. Answer. Bhanu Athi. Question number 16. Who was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize? A. Aravind Adiga. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Kiran Desai. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer. Arundhati Roy. Question number 17. Who was awarded the first Param Veer Chakra? A. Major Dhan Singh Thapa. B. Major Satan Singh. C. Major Hoshiar Singh. D. Major Somnath Sharma. Answer. Major Somnath Sharma. Question number 18. Who became the first person to get a pilot license in India? A. Jamsetji Tata. B. Biju Patnaik. C. J.R.D. Tata. D. Ajay Ahuja. Answer. J.R.D. Tata. Question number 19. Who was the first President of India? A. Zakir Hussain. B. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Varagiri Venkat Giri. Answer. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 20. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? A. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. B. Hukam Singh. C. M. A. Iyengar. D. Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. Answer. Ganesh Vasudev Mavalinkar. Question number 21. Who is known as the first woman to drive a car in India? A. Alisha Abdullah B. Simone Tata C. Suzanne R. D. Tata D. Bertha Benz. Answer. Suzanne R. D. Tata. Question number 22. Who was the first Miss World from India? A. Rita Faria B. Yasmin Daji C. Malati Basappa D. Aishwarya Rai. Answer. Rita Faria. Question number 23. Who was the first Gupta king to issue silver coins? A. Chandragupta the first B. Chandragupta the second C. Samudragupta D. Kumar Gupta. Answer. Chandragupta the second. Question number 24. When was the first telegraph line started in India? A. 1825 B. 1841 C. 1851 D. 1899. Answer. 1851. Question number 25. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale C. Lala Lajpat Rai D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Answer. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 26. Who was the first Law and Justice Minister of India? A. C. Rajagopalachari B. B. R. Ambedkar C. Lal Bahadur Shastri D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer. B. R. Ambedkar. Question number 27. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? A. Nagendra Singh B. S. P. Sen Verma C. Kalyan Sundaram D. Sukumar Sen. Answer. Sukumar Sen. Question number 28. Who was the first U.S. President to visit India? A. Dwight D. Eisenhower B. Richard Nixon C. Jimmy Carter D. George W. Bush. Answer. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Question number 29. When was the PIN system first introduced in India? A. 1956 B. 1988 C. 1972 D. 1992. Answer. 1972. Question number 30. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Pratibha Patil B. Indira Gandhi C. Sonia Gandhi D. Priyanka Gandhi. Answer. Indira Gandhi. Question number 31. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru B. Gulzarilal Nanda C. Lal Bahadur Shastri D. Indira Gandhi. Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 32. Who was the first Indian woman to become a Supreme Court judge? A. Anna Chandi B. Leela Seth C. Fatima Bibi D. Gyan Sudha Misra. Answer. Fatima Bibi. Question number 33. Name the first recipient of the Aadhaar card. A. Natasha Singh B. Kumar Rajesh C. Ganesh Sundaram D. Ranjana Sonavane. Answer. Ranjana Sonavane. Question number 34. Who was the first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international cricket? A. Sachin Tendulkar B. Virender Sehwag C. Rohit Sharma D. Sourav Ganguly. Answer. Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 35. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? A. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit B. Anna Rajam Malhotra C. Kiran Bedi D. Indira Gandhi. Answer. Kiran Bedi. Question number 36. In which year India won the first gold medal in Olympics hockey? A. 1920 B. 1928 C. 1932 D. 1936. Answer. 1928. Question number 37. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? A. Indira Gandhi B. Pratibha Patil C. Sarojini Naidu D. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Answer. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 38. Who is the first citizen of India? A. President B. Prime Minister C. Vice President D. Governor. Answer. President. Question number 39. In which year India won the Cricket World Cup for the first time? A. 1979 B. 1987 C. 1983 D. 2011. Answer. 1983. Question number 40. Who was the first recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? A. Sachin Tendulkar. B. Geet Sethi. C. Viswanathan Anand. D. Anju Bobby George. Answer. Viswanathan Anand.